Alright, hey YouTube, how's it going? First video in a long time I'll actually be riding. We update on the knee, it's going well. I'm allowed to ride a little bit now. I'm about a month off being able to ride dirt jumps. I've got this hardcore brace. Do you want to come in close, get one on the brace real quick. You see that? So this thing just stops my leg from like twisting and going sideways. It's real ideal. And today we have something new that's pretty exciting. We have my first ever enduro bike. So I recently purchased a giant Rain 1 thanks to Wensley Cycles. They did me an unreal deal on it. So grateful. If you're ever in Invercargill, Southland, hit up their bike shop. And what I want to do today is to do a bike check of this bike, which we'll get into right now. Okay, starting in the front, we have the RockShox Lyric Air Fork, which can lock out, which is cool. 160 mils of travel. And it is set up to a DT Swiss hub with a E1700 rim going around it. And then we got the Maxxis Shorty tire up the front. Moving into the cockpit, we've got the True Avet Descendant stem with the giant contact SLDH bars, which are 800 mils wide, which is pretty wide, but I like wide bars. The brakes, we got the SRAM guide brakes, which go real well so far from what I can tell. For the shifter, we have the SRAM GX Eagle shifter, which goes great. Alright, moving to the seat, we've got the giant dropper post. And then down below, we've got the RockShox Super Deluxe Air Rear Shock, which can lock out, also has 160 mils of travel. For the cranks, we've got the True Avet Descendant cranks. Heading down the bike, we've got the MRP chain guide into the SRAM GX Eagle derailleur. And as you can see, I've just got a pair of plastic pedals on there. They're what I've had for the moment, but I've ordered some nuke-proof ones that should go good. So yeah, there's a quick overview of the bike. What I'm going to do now is check the GoPro on. We're going to do a quick ride at 7 Mile here in Queenstown. Should be good. Here at the top of the Jack B. Nimble Trail on 7 Mile in Queenstown. It's just started raining. We're going to head down for the top of this flow trail. It's a flow/jump trail. We'll see how it goes. Should be good. Woo! Alright, as you can see, we're finished riding now, and it has started raining in Queenstown, and it is just bucketing down, like it's horribly wet. And as you can see, I'm pretty muddy, pretty wet and cold. But overall, such a good day. Like, first day riding a bike in about a year and a half almost, since I hurt my knee. Riding injury free felt so good, and like the rain just went hard, like climbed up the hill easy as, climbs like a beast, and then on the downhills, just shredded the downhill, like got used to it in the air, jumped it a few times, started getting like a little flick around, playful bits, and yeah, it just went really well. So super happy with the bike, super happy with the day. Make sure you give this video a like, share it around, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm hopefully going to start doing videos maybe every 2 weeks kind of as I get back into riding. There'll be heaps of videos on the new bike, and soon there should be some like dirt jump ones as well and skate park ones again. Alright, thanks for watching.